Hello everyone, you are all welcome to the delicious kitchen. Come in everyone, please remember to share this video, remember to like, remember to comment. Guys, thank you so much. We are cooking fish stew and we are going to clean this fish together, and you're going to see the secret to have your yummy fish stew. So guys, what you can see now are the two fishes I'll be using today. I'm using tilapia fish. Okay, I just have two there in the wash and basin. It's time to clean our fish. What you need first of all is your kitchen scissors. You cut off the tail and you remove all the fins. Okay, when you have the scissors, it makes it a lot easier for you to clean your fish. All right, if you don't have, then you have to use your knife, and you're going to need a cutter to do that. But if you have your scissors, it makes it a lot easier. You can see what I'm doing right now. I'm removing all the fins. Okay, so that is it. That's the first one. You just have to repeat the same process with the second one. And now I transfer the both fish onto a cotton plate. Okay, so it's now time to remove scales. All right, we need to remove scales because you can't eat the fish with the scales. All right, you will not even like it at all. It will spoil your stew. So if you are using tilapia or other fishes with scales, you need to remove the scales. Okay, so after that, at this stage, we want to use this lemon to remove the raw smell. Fish are the typical smell that it gives when you eat your stew, or when you fry it like this, or when you bake it like this without removing the raw smell. I'm telling you, you will not enjoy your fish that much. For you to really enjoy this fish, please try this. I know a lot of people will say we don't use it. Yes, but there's nothing bad in trying something new. Oyinbo people will never eat fish without their lemon or citron. Use this. Wash your fish with this, and you're going to thank me later. Okay, so what I'm doing now is that I'm washing them. I'm going to wash it, take my time to just wash it around with the fruit I'm having with that lemon juice. So I repeat the same process here. I just wash the fish with a lemon. So now it's time to cut it. I'm not going to cook it a whole like that. I'm cooking Nigerian fish stew. All right, so now that I've cut it to my desired sizes, you can cut it to 3. You can it depends on how you want it. Now it's time to remove the guts. If you're cooking it a whole like that, you have to open the chest of the fish and remove the whole guts. All right, remove everything. So I cut this into 2 and I've removed the guts, and it's now time to wash it thoroughly. All right, so I'm still using the lemon to wash inside. Where I remove all the guts, I use it to wash it, and now it's time to rinse thoroughly. Okay guys, you rinse it thoroughly. Can you see how clean it is now? It is so easy to do. You can wear your gloves, but I'm used to working with my hands like this, with my bare hands. Pardon me guys. So you just need to rinse it thoroughly. Okay, if you haven't tried this way, please do it next time. You're going to love it. So after rinsing the fish, now transfer into a bowl. It's now time to add our seasoning into it. We're starting with salt, curry, ginger powder, black pepper, and chili. So mix everything together, just shake it together like that. All right, and marinate for 10 minutes. And if you're going to leave it longer, please refrigerate it till when you are ready to use it. So what I have there are some tomatoes, bell pepper, and habanero pepper at Odour. Now I've added onions into it, and this is my ginger roots. I've just added ginger into it and garlic as well. Now I'll be adding some water for easy blending. Okay, so cover and blend your tomatoes, guys. So after blending, pour it into a pot, add just a teaspoon of oil into it and boil it down to reduce the liquid in the stew under low heat. All right, I boiled this under low heat for almost 1.5 hours. Then it is okay now to be used for me. Now I poured some vegetable oil into a pot and added some sliced onions into it just to flavor the oil. All right, you can leave it inside, and if you like, you can just remove it the way I've done now. Now that is my boiled down tomato mixture. It's going to reduce the time of the cooking because it has been boiled down already. Okay, and you can see after pouring it into it, now I'll be adding tomato puree or tomato paste. Choose any one that you like, guys. I'm going for tomato puree today. Cooking my stew with tomato puree, so I've just added the tomato puree into it, and it's now time to stir together. After that, I'm adding the super seasoning mixture. If you have this, go for it. If you don't have it, just use your seasoning that you have at home. I'll be adding thyme into it, Cameroon pepper. I'm so much in love with Cameroon pepper these days. I love it so much. And of course, my seasoning cube. So stir together. If you notice, I'm not adding salt, not at this stage. No, just now cover and boil for 15 to 20 minutes or more. It depends on how you want it to be boiled down. If you're frying, then you have to keep cooking till the liquid in it reduced to your desire, okay, to your desired texture. And this is how I want it. I'm not frying this, I am cooking emojo omiobe. Okay, and that is now time to add my marinated fish, my well marinated fish. Now I've added it into the into the tomato mixture now. Okay, guys, we're still going to add our salt later. Remember, we marinated this with salt and some seasoning. It's now time to add it into the tomato mixture. Now cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, on the normal heat, not high and not too low, medium. All right, so at this stage the fish is done already. Just stir together like this. You don't need to stir with a spoon. Just now time to taste for salt, to be sure if the salt we marinated the fish is not okay with it. Now adjust the salt, add salt to your taste. Okay, just shake it this way and simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. All right, and tra-la-la, that is it. Your fish stew is ready at this stage. This is super yummy. Goes well with rice, it goes well with swallow, with fufu, with amala, even with bread, my people. You will love this one. Omiobi ati bread. But guys, I'm rocking with rice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.